Are you ready to make 2025 the year you completely transform your future? Imagine looking back at this moment and knowing you made the decision that set you apart forever. In a world constantly evolving, we're all faced with the challenge of staying relevant. The truth is, the skills that matter today won't necessarily be the ones that matter tomorrow. But there's one skill that stands out, one that has the power to change everything. It's not just about learning something new. It's about mastering something that will guarantee your success in the long run. So, what is this skill? And why is it so crucial to your growth in 2025? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this one skill is the key to setting yourself apart in the coming years. Let's begin by acknowledging a simple fact. We are living in an age where the speed of change is faster than ever. Technologies are advancing, industries are evolving, and new challenges are emerging every day. In a world like this, staying ahead of the curve means doing more than just keeping up. It means having the foresight to learn and master skills that will remain valuable for years to come. So, what's the one skill that can truly set you apart? The skill I'm talking about is adaptability. More specifically, the ability to learn how to learn. This is not a common narrative you hear when talking about success, but it's one of the most powerful things you can cultivate in your life. Adaptability is the foundation upon which all other skills can be built. It allows you to pivot when the market shifts, when new technology emerges, and when the rules of the game change. In 2025, it won't be enough to rely solely on past experience or skills. The ability to learn quickly, efficiently, and continuously is what will separate you from the masses. But why is this skill so crucial right now? First, consider the changing landscape of industries. Industries that were once booming are now in decline. For example, traditional retail is facing fierce competition from e-commerce, and automation is taking over many manufacturing jobs. But rather than viewing this as a threat, adaptable individuals see opportunity. These people are constantly acquiring new skills that align with emerging trends. Now, you might be wondering, how can I make myself adaptable? It's simple, really. Start by breaking your learning into manageable, digestible chunks. In today's world, there's an overload of information. The key to adapting is knowing what to focus on and how to acquire knowledge efficiently. Rather than trying to absorb everything at once, focus on mastering one skill at a time, deeply understanding it, and then moving on to the next one. When you learn this way, it's easier to apply that knowledge in real-world situations, and you build a flexible skill set that can be used across a range of industries and scenarios. But adaptability doesn't just mean learning faster. It means being proactive in seeking new opportunities. One of the most adaptable traits a person can have is a willingness to step outside their comfort zone. Look at people who are thriving in today's world. They're the ones who are not afraid to fail, to experiment, or to try something new. And as they do so, they build up a reservoir of knowledge that gives them an edge over others who are hesitant to change. Moreover, the pace at which information and tools are being made available to us is unparalleled. Online courses, podcasts, video tutorials, books, these are just a few examples of the resources that anyone can access to learn. The world has never been more connected, and this level of access to knowledge means that you can literally learn from anyone, anywhere, at any time. And the best part, you can learn at your own pace. But it's not just about access to information. It's about knowing how to navigate the vast sea of knowledge and stay focused on what truly matters. This is where adaptability comes into play again. The people who can sift through information, prioritize it, and quickly apply it to their careers or personal lives are the ones who will lead the charge in the future. The best part of learning how to learn is that it's not confined to any one area. Whether it's technology, finance, creative work, or even personal development, adaptability allows you to venture into various fields and diversify your skills. You no longer have to be boxed into one career path. Instead, you can shape your journey, constantly evolving and expanding your potential. As we move further in 2025, the world will continue to change in unpredictable ways. But those who are adaptable will not only survive, they'll thrive. And the beautiful thing about adaptability is that it's a skill you can develop over time. The more you practice it, the easier it becomes to adjust to new environments, new technologies, and new challenges. It's an ongoing process, a mindset that fosters growth at every stage of life. If you're ready to start building this skill and setting yourself apart in 2025, now is the time to take action. Don't wait for tomorrow to start your journey toward adaptability. Embrace the mindset of learning how to learn and begin transforming your life today. Like this video if you agree that adaptability is the key to success. And leave a comment below letting us know how you plan to start developing this skill in your own life. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve in 2025, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll be sharing more insights on how you can continue to evolve, stay relevant, and build the skills that will shape your future. Don't miss out. Let's make 2025 the year you set yourself apart forever.